I completely believe that you have to be a set example for what you say or what you preach. Because if you are a live example, people will believe in what you say. Like if I tell my patients, fitness has to be a part of your lifestyle, I have to depict what I say. Hi, I'm Dr. Rajshri Pandya. I'm 42 years old and this is my Transformation Challenge 12 story. As a child and as a teenager, I did suffer from asthma because it's a family history. My father is an asthmatic, so I used to have asthma at a very severe grade. I was always an athletic kid, like be it running, be it jogging. I would love going for marathons. College yet took a backseat. There was a lot of studies, being into medical field. So I was completely into my studies. So all these activities definitely took a backseat that time. And obviously that exam stress, studying stress. That time my asthma attack were more frequent. So I was suffering from that. I have gained maximum amount of weight in my pregnancy. Like it was 25 kgs. I weigh almost 90 kgs when I went last for my delivery. 29 December, I still remember I gave a call to my coach. His name is Bhaskar Tadyal. And somewhere, when you call up somebody, there is something where you can connect with somebody, and that is what I found with him. Being a vegetarian, he gave me a complete vegetarian diet, a high protein diet. There are enough food sources, whole food sources like soya, paneer, milk. If you consume in good amount, your protein requirement can be accomplished. Workout wise, it was upper body, lower body, abs every day for 6 days a week. So around October 2020, I started with my weight training, because that was a time when everything around was closed because I was into yoga, I was into aerobics. So all this workout was closed because of the pandemic. And my building gym was open. So that is the time I thought, let me give a try. When I decided to part in Transformation Challenge, everybody, my close relatives, even my husband used to tell me, what would you transform as? You're already so lean and thin. Transformation Challenge is a 12-week process. So when you have a set goal that in that 12 weeks you want to reach some destination, that would be a more defined journey. I could see myself the difference every week. Like, there is inch loss which is happening. I could see my pants getting loose. I could see my muscle definition, the toning of the body. And every week that progress was definitely visible. And that keeps you motivated. Out of 22,000 participants globally, holding a first runner-up place, it's a thrilling moment itself. Obviously, the recognition what you get is at a different level now. People want to know exactly how did it happen, and they want to incorporate the same routine in their life. The level of confidence I have with this science and the confidence I have to help the community with this science is at altogether different level. The science on which this fitter is standing, calorie calculation, it's maths, fat loss which happens because of it is the science behind it. So maths and science can never go wrong if it's been executed properly. Trust the process, trust the science and give your 100% to it, and the results will be at your door. The whole logic behind this is I want to see still a better version of myself and how better I can be, because even I didn't know with this TC12 I would reach at this level. So I don't know with TC13 and TC14 where would I reach. So I'm very enthused to see that version of myself now.